Hello, this is a training video on cutlets and WDQ. For the past couple of years, we have offered optimized cutlets, which maximize the efficiency of your extrusions that are cut. We are now offering a non-optimized cut list, which will sort your cuts largest to smallest. This will prove beneficial to customers of ours which do not own digital length gauge systems like a TigerStop or a Razor Gauge. To get started, we'll go to Setup, Cut Lists, right here, and we'll just simply open up one of your existing cut lists. You can have a cut list be optimized or non-optimized by simply toggling this to yes or no. If you want casement frames to be optimized, we'll set that to yes. Here we have casement sashes. Let's turn this to not optimized. Within one cut report, you can have optimized cut lists and non-optimized cut lists. Next is a one-time setting change right here. So you go to Setup, then Settings, and then you will put in a non-optimized cut factor. This will go into the cut report to determine the number of lineals required. So if you think you have about a 10% waste, type in 1.1. If you have 15% waste, type in 1.15. We'll click Save and Close. All right, so we'll go to Active Orders and generate our production file. Checkbox that, Menu, Production File, Generate New. All right, our production file is generated. Open it up, go Cut Reports, Cut Lists, and open up the PDF report. So here's our optimized cut list for a glazing bead. Here's one for casement frames. Then down here for this casement sash, you can see how it's listing the part number, the description, the finish, and the number of extrusions required right there. And we're simply sorting it by length right here. So 51 5/8, 51 5/8, 51 5/8, 44 3/8. The next number, the -2, is the quantity of cuts. So we're saying we need 2 51 5/8, and then this is the ID associated with that cut. So you can still bin these by IDs if you want to. And you could also cut these via the cut labels because the cut labels match up the exact same way as the cut lists. So once again, it's sorting biggest to smallest. It's listing the dimension of the cut, then the quantity, then the ID. The secondary sort on it is by ID. So we have these first three cuts are all the same length, but you can see the ID is 349.2.1, 349.2.2, 349.2.3. So primary sort is largest to smallest. Secondary sort for extrusions that are the same length is the ID. If there are any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call.